you to the second public involvement meeting for National Avenue project with limits from 1st Street to 39th Street. Of the items I'm going to be sharing with you: introducing design team members, National Avenue project constraints and how they impact the design, items that are considered during the design phase of the project, what do we need from you, your feedback, your comments, getting more involved by taking surveys. Design team members are as follows. Myself, Christine Hanna, Project Manager with Wisconsin Department of Transportation. David Tapia, Project Manager with City of Milwaukee. Megan O'Connor, Support for Business Liaison with City of Milwaukee. And with us also, Cassie Goodwin, Outreach Support with Smith Group. And Margaret Welsh, Outreach Support with Smith Group. During the design investigating process, we have identified several elements that may impact the project schedule, funding, engineering analysis, and input data, and finally impacts on the right-of-way. Below are several considerations impacting design, not necessarily in order. 1. Historic properties. 2. Oversized and overweight routes. 3. Design vehicles. 4. Right-of-way. 5. Parking flex spaces. 6. Sidewalk. 7. Transit needs. Please allow me to share with you in details some of these considerations. Historic properties, the design team identified by using color coding showing different types as follows. Orange reflecting listed historic properties, blue showing potentially eligible historic properties, and yellow identifying eligible historic properties. Another design consideration is the truck size and route on National Avenue, which is located on the National Highway System. National Avenue is designated oversized overweight route, which only permits certain dimensions and weight for trucks. The highway must be able to accommodate these loads to maintain performance and maintenance cost. Another design consideration is for the trucks allowed on oversized overweight route, turning movements allowing them to make these turns safely without impacting other roadway features. Design consideration for the right-of-way usage. We have two segments on this project segment. From 39 to 13th Street, right-of-way width is 90 foot. From 13 to 1st Street, the right-of-way width is 75 feet. These right-of-way widths have to be planned for, as we are not planning on any real estate acquisition, just temporary limited easement when replacing curb ramps and driveway approaches. During several design phases, the team looked at the need for parking needs and flex spaces that can be used for loading zones, emergency vehicles, access, and other needs. Pedestrian safety and accommodation are one of the main considerations to maintain federal and state funds. Sidewalk is not only to secure access and safety, but can also be utilized for building required setbacks and other amenities as shown. And finally, public transit needs. The team has identified via the color-coded map showing various MCTS routes which are key for designing the road to accommodate for bus stops, accessible and safe public usage and crossings. We need your feedback and help to continue the project development and reaching a successful project implementation. Here is how. Sign up for project updates, participate in surveys, add your input through the mapping project, and participate in future public involvement meetings.